Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Our goal is simple, clear reviews, real opinions, and no confusion. Everything you need is right here. Are you looking for the top 5 best Padle rackets in 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The Wilson Optix V1 Padel racket is an excellent choice for players seeking a balance of control, comfort, and power on the court. Designed with a lightweight frame, it allows for quick reactions and effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players. The fiberglass face enhances feel and responsiveness, while the core construction provides a soft touch that reduces vibration and improves shot accuracy. Its round head shape offers a larger sweet spot, helping players maintain consistency even on off-center hits. The racket's sleek design reflects Wilson's commitment to both performance and style. Whether you're defending at the back or attacking at the net, the Optix V1 supports a versatile playing style. Additionally, its durability ensures long-lasting use, even with regular play. Comfortable grip and user-friendly handling make it a reliable option for those looking to improve their game with confidence and ease on the Padel court. Number 2. Head Speed Padel Racket Paddle Series delivers cutting-edge performance for players of all levels, combining power, control, and comfort in one dynamic lineup. The Pro and Pro X models are built for advanced players seeking explosive power and precision, featuring innovative materials and optimized balance. Motion is designed for speed and maneuverability, making it ideal for quick reactions at the net. Elite offers a perfect blend of control and power, suited for intermediate players aiming to elevate their game. The 1 and 1X rackets stand out with a unique one-hole design, enhancing durability and sweet spot consistency. Meanwhile, the Team model provides excellent playability and comfort, making it a great choice for beginners or casual players. Each racket in the series showcases Head's commitment to innovation, ensuring superior feel, stability, and performance on the court. Elevate your Padel experience with a racket tailored to your playing style. Number 3. The At 10 Genius 18K Alum by Agustin Tapia 2025 is a premium Padel racket designed for players who demand elite performance and precision. Crafted in a luxurious teardrop shape, it offers the perfect balance between power and control, making it ideal for advanced and competitive players. The 18K aluminized carbon surface enhances durability while delivering a solid, responsive feel on every shot. Equipped with the innovative EOS flap technology, this racket improves aerodynamics and maneuverability, allowing faster swings and better control during intense rallies. The NOx custom grip system ensures maximum comfort and reduces vibrations, minimizing the risk of injury while enhancing grip stability. Its dual texture surface is engineered for superior spin control, giving players the ability to execute precise and aggressive shots with ease. Whether at the net or baseline, the At 10 Genius delivers consistency, power, and finesse, making it a top-tier choice for those seeking excellence on the court. Number 4. The Boule Padel Vertex 05 2026 Juan Padel racket is expertly designed for players seeking the perfect balance between power, control, and versatility on the court. Engineered with advanced air power technology, this racket enhances aerodynamics, allowing faster swings and improved maneuverability during intense rallies. The Xtend-Carbon 12K face delivers exceptional durability and responsiveness, providing a solid feel with every shot while maximizing precision. Its Multieva core features dual-density layers that adapt to different playing situations, offering soft touch on slower shots and explosive power when needed. Ideal for multipurpose performance, the Vertex 05 suits both attacking and defensive styles, making it a reliable choice for intermediate to advanced players. Endorsed by professional player Juan, This racket reflects high-level performance standards and modern innovation. Whether you're competing or training, it ensures consistency, comfort, and confidence in every game, helping you elevate your Padel experience to the next level with ease. Number 5. The IANONI Padle Racket is designed for players seeking power, control, and durability in every match. Built with a high-quality carbon fiber surface, this racket offers excellent strength while maintaining a lightweight feel for improved handling and precision. The EVA Memory Flex Foam core enhances shock absorption, providing a comfortable grip and reducing vibration during intense gameplay. This advanced construction allows for better ball control and consistent performance, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced players. Its ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability, helping players react quickly and execute accurate shots. The sturdy frame also increases the racket's lifespan even with regular use. Whether you are playing casually or competitively, the IANONI Padel racket delivers reliable performance on the court. With a perfect balance of power and comfort, it is an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their Padel tennis experience and enjoy every game with confidence.